when working on chord changing or you're upskilling your fretting hand, it's always a good idea to have a capo on the first or second fret just while you're learning the skill, and then you remove the capo and it'll be much easier once you've got it. Regarding your thumb, a great chord sequence for getting your thumb position very right is a song called Free Falling by Tom Petty, where I've placed a capo on the first fret, and this actually is in the key of the original recording, where you would have an E chord, and because the sixth string is an E note, you would always leave the sixth string ring open for E type chords. And once I drop the two fingers here just down to the A sus2, because it's not an E chord, we want to mute, whether it's D, G, F, C, any of those, we want to mute the sixth string as much as possible to keep that clean sound, otherwise it's clouded. And as you're changing, you will clearly see the thumb on top is just coming in to barely touch the sixth string. When you're coming back to the E chord, you will see the thumb rise, and it's not too much, just enough to clear the strings so that we have all six strings sounding. Off of onto the A sus2, the thumb is just dropping as well. So you're free to sum six, but it won't sound. And the third chord in Free Falling is B sus2. And because it's a bar chord or power chord shape, the only way you'll get that is to drop the thumb at the back, low and centered. And most songs you play on the guitar will be a combination of this for your bar and power chords, this thumb position, and this higher thumb position for your E's, and just onto mute for your other chord shapes. But you will see as I'm changing to the power chord, you will see the thumb disappear low and centered at the back. There's no other way. You can try it this way, but it's incredibly difficult. But if you take the time to upskill down to the B, with the thumb also dropping at the back, coming back to the E, then you will see the thumb appear back up on top. If I turn my guitar around and we look at the thumb from behind, this is E, just there. You will see the thumb dropping to give that nice airy sound on the A type chord back up to E. And it's just a very distinct drop to get that B2 chord. That's the whole song. It just repeats that chord sequence over and over from start to finish. It does wonders for your thumb positioning. Once you get it right for this song, you have it right for millions and millions and millions of other songs automatically.